everyone, Paula here. So today I want to talk about electronic document management. So really the management of your documents within eZmax. How do you upload them to the system? How do you access them? And what can you do with those documents when they're in the system? All right, so let's get started by going directly into a deal folder. Over here, we're going to go to 225 Kingston. So to upload documents, you go in the documents section and you hit add. When you're here, you have two options. You could scan documents into the system. I'm going to do a separate video for that to go into the details of how to use this tool. So we'll focus really only today on uploading documents directly from the documents that you have in your computer. All right. So as you can see here, it says that you could drag and drop files into this window. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll go and open my documents over here. And I will select my two documents that I want to upload to eZmax. I'll X out of that. I am able to identify these documents. So this is an agreement of purchase and I have my buyer's rep agreement. And I will send these files to my EDM system and I'll just hit refresh. My documents are now uploaded to the system. And so just to go through what you see here. So the name of the document, that's basically the name, how you've named it, right? And then you are able to view the documents. So if we hit this button, it'll download the document. It'll allow me to see my document in eZmax. I'll just close that. And over here where it says approved. Now, the fact that it says no doesn't mean that it's been rejected. It just means that it has not been reviewed by your agency yet. And as soon as they do it, that they approve it, it'll say okay. Okay. So some of the things you're able to do with the documents, so you could select the document or all of them, it doesn't matter. You could download them to your computer. So you just hit download and then you're able to save them to wherever you want on your computer. You're able to send by email. So when you hit that, you'll see that all the email addresses of everybody who is part of this transaction will show up. So if, let's say, you want to send it to the seller's lawyer, so you select the person, or if there are other email addresses that you want to add, you can add email addresses and send it to them. Okay, so over here, I'll say, here are the required documents, okay? And you're able to send. So you're able to send by email, but you're also able to send by fax, the good old-fashioned way, right? So you click on send by fax, the fax numbers are there, you select, and the same principle, you could just write a message and then send the document and it will be sent by fax. So virtual fax, eZmax is virtual fax, which is integrated in the system. The other thing you could do is you could copy to a file. So you may decide that this document needs to be copied to another one of your files, either because you made a mistake or because it needs to be in another one of your files. So you would select here the file where it needs to go. And you would just send. So it's literally copying this document to the other file. For those of you who use Easysign, you're able to select your document and say send to Easysign. So by clicking here, it'll send the document into Easysign, open up an Easysign folder, allowing you to proceed with the preparation of the document to send out for electronic signature. And the last thing you could do is that you could send the document that is sitting now in your deal portion of the transaction. You could send it to the listing portion of the transaction. So that's all I wanted to talk to you about today. I hope it was helpful. Use it well, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.